Look, guys, more parts for the car. I believe, actually. I'm not sure, but this should be the final two pieces I need for the install on the steering wheel. And it looks like I was correct. It's my quick release and my wheel hub. So we're gonna open this up and check it out. Alright, as you guys see, we opened up the boxes for the quick release. It comes with the quick release. I got it in black, mainly because I don't want too much red on my interior. I'm not sure exactly what these are for, but we will find out when we install them. Comes with a little sticker, I guess, for authenticity. And then comes with a little manual on how to install it. Then here's the wheel hub. It comes with these. I believe you connect these for the airbag light. That way the airbag light doesn't pop up. Comes with also these as well. And the horn connection. So yeah, let's open these up and take a look even closer to them. But yeah, so we're gonna start with the quick release. I've never really had a quick release ever, so this is my first time ever getting one. So that's pretty cool. Comes with the nuts to put it on. Yo, this thing looks fucking, it feels heavy as hell. Here's a closer look for you guys. Let it focus. I wish I had better lighting, but I'm afraid I don't. It's the best I could do. Give you a little. Say this bell works. It works bells, I mean. I was told this wheel hub was better because it comes with the little modification on these sides right here for the 370Zs. Comes with these cutouts, that way you can fit the extra wires, and there's some stuff poking out like over here on the steering wheel column that you would need to modify any other one if you were to cop a different one. So that's a good thing. This wheel hub is also from Works Bell. It's from there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. So if you have a 370Z, I highly recommend this one from Works Bell because it has this little modification for you right here for any 370Z owners. I don't know about 350Z owners, but I'm pretty sure it's for I'm positive for 370Z owners that this is the best one to get for you. Comes with all the hardware, obviously. That's cool. Alright guys, so look, I decided to just put the unboxing reveal, and we're gonna somewhat put it all together. I don't have the car yet, obviously, because it's still getting wrapped. It's actually the next day after I got these, so we're gonna somewhat put the wheel and this together. Not the wheel hub. This we're gonna save it for when we get the car back, but we're just gonna put the wheel with the quick release on for right now, because that way we save some time whenever I get the car back and we can put it on and go. So yeah, right now I'm gonna put the quick release and the steering wheel together. That way when we get the car it'll be faster. So let's get to it.
is going on, guys? Welcome back, and we are gonna finish off the quick release. I'm gonna bring all the stuff downstairs and we're gonna finish it. I just went to a car meet the other day, and yeah, I told everybody that they were gonna see the car before the video's live and before I post it on Instagram. And if they wanted to see it, that they should come through. So for stuff like that, follow me on Instagram. That way you can see some stuff early, maybe. Let me show you guys why I might have to go to I might have to start this another day. Hopefully I can start it right now because I just want to get over with it. Well, guys, looks like I may be in luck because as you see right here, I might be able to use one of these two right here, because whenever you take off the airbag from these cars, you need an alloy key, and it's one of these two, I think. It looks more like this, but I think I can manage and use these. I hope I can. I'm gonna try right now, and hopefully it works. Well, guys, it does look like it does not fit. It's the same one, but it's too small, and that's the only two I have. I don't have any others that are a little bit bigger. All right, guys, what's up? It's 2 days later, and this is the little fucker that I needed right here. If it'll focus on it. But yeah, as you see, it has this hole in the middle. I really needed it. And it's the right size. My uncle had it. Luckily I didn't have to go to Harbor Freight to buy this little piece of shit. And yeah, I hope I don't lose it because he's gonna kill me if I do. Oh yeah, and I got this from a company called, right here, look, this is the company I bought it from. Maybe I'll focus. I'm gonna add their Instagram on the description down below if you guys want to purchase one. They got a bunch of anime ones right now. I got the Akatsuki one from Naruto to match my red and black interior. But yeah, they got plenty of badass ones over there. Y'all go check them out. But yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys when I'm home, and we're gonna install the quick release on it today. All right, guys, so we're home right now. I just disconnected the battery because I don't want that shit blowing in my face. But yeah, we're about to take out the airbag. Way to do that is there's gonna be these little clips right here. You take them off, and then in there is a bolt that I needed this little guy for. Well, I needed this little one. That's the one I needed from my uncle that he let me borrow. So we're gonna take those bolts out, pull the airbag out, and then we'll continue on from there. And just like that, I need to buy my uncle a fucking new one because this shit broke. Bro, what the fuck? Like, I'm royally pissed. Look at this shit. It fucking broke. How? I slowly turned it on. I just went like this. And then I put a little more power on it, and it snapped. Oh my God, I'm so fucking mad. This sucks. Well, guys, now I gotta go to Home Depot because Harbor Freight's closed. And yeah, so I'm gonna close the hood, close everything, put everything away real quick, head to Home Depot before they close, and find exactly what the fuck I need. Alright, guys, so I'm finally home. Fucking came back from Home Depot, and I hope these will fit. One of these will. I know they will. If they don't, I'm gonna be fucking pissed and probably cry to sleep. But yeah, let's try to fucking get this shit off finally. Alright, guys, so I'm too fucking weak. I tried my best. I gave it all my muscle. My little muscles can't do it. Alright, guys, so my dad was able to do it. He couldn't do it with the shit that it came with, but he kind of managed with a wrench, and he put it in there, and he was able to take it out. So right now we're gonna take these little clips off of the airbag and then take this off. After we take it off, you gotta make sure that your steering wheel is straight like this, and that way you're gonna take this bolt off after. So we're gonna do that.
Now I'll let you guys know when we take the wheel off. Alright guys, so I loosened it, so now I'm gonna try to take the wheel off. It looks like it'll come off itself, but sometimes these things are really stuck, so you gotta really pull. Make sure the wheel is straight before you untighten this one. It's gonna be a 19 to take that bitch off. So just for you guys to know, it's a 19. Also keep the wheel straight before you loosen it, and then after you can just shake the wheel and it looks like it's off, so I'm good to take it off, and that's what we're gonna do. Before putting your wheel hub on, you want to make sure that this little line right here, that little line is lined up with this plastic piece right here. Make sure it's aligned well before you put it all on, and you should be good to go after that. And also you're gonna align this little dot right here. You're gonna have that little hole right there where you put the screws is going to be right under it. That's how you know that's the top middle bolt that you're going to put in. So you're going to align it with everything right there. So that's what we're going to do right now. Also, you might want to take this off, which is just goes right here. You want to take it off, that way you can make sure that the little plastic piece that's right there goes in there. And as you guys saw, this is what I meant whenever, this is why you should get the Bellworks one, because you don't have to cut this part out and this part out for these. You can just send them through easily as that. And yeah, so that's why you want a Bellworks one instead of the NRG one or anything else, because it's already pre-cut. And I think an NRG one you have to cut it. So yeah, so after this we're gonna put the bolt back in, and then we're gonna proceed with the next part, which is gonna be for the buttons, which I'm about to take off of the airbag. All right guys, so before I put this, I'm test fitting these because I'm gonna have to plug this back in whenever I take it off. So how to take the buttons off, you just you just follow the wire. Honestly, I think this is gonna be like a little 8 right here. You just take these bolts off, this one right here, and I think it's just this one, and then after you'll be able to follow through all the way, and then you see it goes all the way through here, and then that goes straight to these right here. And these I think are on by these 2 bolts, which I could take off. These are gonna be replaced with bolts that it comes with. And then yeah, after I take these 2 bolts off on each side, it should come straight off, and then we can put them on there. So that's what we're gonna do right now, guys. So I have an issue. I already put this all the way. Also, it's just 4 bolts like I said earlier, 2 right there and 2 right there. But the issue is now I have to probably do something here, because I need this for the horn, and I didn't think about it till now. But I'm gonna have to plug this one in for my horn right now. I might say fuck it and just not install it, because I'd rather have these for my tune than this piece of shit. So I might just say fuck it and just install this instead, and just say screw the horn for right now until I figure out some issue or some way I can get my horn back. But for now, I think I'm gonna just say screw it and just say fuck the horn and put this in. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright guys, so pretty much it's installed already. All that was to it was to put these bolts all around after. Also the bypass little clips for the airbag, and then I put the wheel on. And yeah, my horn is not gonna work right now because of these little issues. I hope I can get them to work right now, but yeah, other than that, the wheel is on. It also comes off. It's on, it works. So right now I'm gonna go on a test drive, see if the alignment's right around my neighborhood, and then I'll catch you guys after. All right guys, so I turned the car on. As you see, no airbag light on. It looks like I need to pump gas, which I'm gonna go do right now. But controls work, so there's no issue with that. Only thing is I need to figure out how to get my horn working. I'm probably gonna have to cut 2 wires from where this one was wired up, and connect them like that, or I could just disconnect the wires from the one that it comes with the steering wheel and probably connect them to the other one that has all the wires connected in it. Either or, but we're gonna figure it out somehow. What is going on, guys? It's your boy. I'm in the office, and this is just a quick little update on the steering wheel. Whenever you take the cruise control buttons off, it also comes with a positive wire for the horn. I tried to connect it, but I'm having an issue. It still doesn't want to work. It seems I can use that one instead of having to use the ones that the quick release came with. But like I said, it's still not working after I connected them. So I think it's because the horn, on the back of the horn, both of the connections are probably negative. So I'm gonna need to find out how to make one of those a positive or something. So that's how it's looking right now. I'm recording this off my iPhone because my camera, I do not have it with me right now, and I am currently editing the video, and I just paused it right here so I can give you guys this quick update on that, and we're gonna do it later on. But yeah, guys, look at the fucking steering wheel, dude. It looks so fucking sick. I love it. I'm taking it off and shit. I'll take it off right now for you guys. Hold up. And then there it is when I take it off. It's kind of a little difficult to take off, kind of, because these are in the way. If they weren't in the way, then it'd be a lot easier, but oh well, they're in the way and I can't do nothing about it. But yeah, that is it, guys. This is gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna go pump gas. So yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching the video. I appreciate the fuck out of you guys, and if it weren't for you guys, I wouldn't keep doing this. But I honestly love recording videos for you guys, and I appreciate the fact that you guys stop by and watch them. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys love the new steering wheel. It matches my everything. Just look at that red everywhere. That's fucking awesome. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry I didn't get to explain everything else. The reason for that was because it was getting dark already, and I was trying to get shit done before it got dark. But yeah, it still got dark before I even finished. But yeah, guys, I'm sorry I didn't get to record everything, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.